Hello everyone, Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with all of you how I style jeans. I love jeans. I feel like they're my go-to. Every morning when I get dressed, I'm always grabbing a pair of jeans and then kind of styling my outfit around that. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a bunch of different ways to style jeans, from a little more dressy to casual to everything in between. And I will actually be styling these Lovers and Friends jeans. These are straight leg, have a small cut, but keep in mind that all the different outfits I'm styling today can really be styled with any pair of jeans. But before we get to the video, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that little bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at itsthejewels. I'll be posting the outfits you see here today, along with a bunch of other cute outfits, beauty photos, dog photos, all the good stuff. So check me out on Instagram. But let's go ahead and check out how I style jeans. So like I said before, I will be styling my outfits with these Lovers and Friends jeans. They are kind of a straight cut. They do have a small rip here, but like I said before, you couldn't really style these outfits with any pairs of jeans. But the first item I am styling with these jeans is actually this super cute top I am wearing. This is from Ask the Label. I love it. It is so cute, so comfy. I saw this top and I really just was like, oh my god, this will look great with jeans. That was the first thing I thought, but I love that you can really dress it up or dress it down. So I actually styled it with heels and dressed it up a little bit, but you could also style this look with sneakers and dress it down a little bit. You can definitely do this as more of like a business casual outfit. You can wear this out to brunch, you know, there's just so many different options. I feel like you could even wear this out to dinner depending on the shoes you wear. But I love it, super cute. I love the little buttons up the front. I love that it's cropped. It's so cute and I love it with my jeans. The next piece that I styled with my jeans is actually this long tan duster, and this guy is from Revolve and from Privacy Please. I love doing like long dusters or like long jackets or anything like that with jeans, and I really like this one because it does button pretty much like all the way down, but what I did is I stopped the button right where my jeans started so you could really see the jean. I dressed this one up a little bit with a pair of heels, but again, kind of depending on the shoes, you could dress it down with sneakers, which I feel like that'd be like a super cool look doing this with sneakers, but I just love this. I feel like this look is like one of my favorites. It looks so cute together. I'm obsessed. You can definitely wear this to work, obviously depending on where you work. It's kind of a more of a business casual look. You can do brunch with girlfriends. You could even wear this out at night. I love it. It's so cute. Too, if you got maybe a darker duster, you could definitely make this like a little more dressy, but I really like the nude duster with it. I think it's just so cute and I love it. Now I know there's gonna be people that definitely need to dress up their jeans for more of a business look, so I actually styled my jeans with this black bodysuit from Zara. This is like their famous bodysuit that everyone has. This guy is amazing. And then over that I put this NBD blazer. This guy has a little belt and it really dressed up the look. Keep in mind my jeans did have a slight rip in them, so if you are trying to like really dress it up, I would make sure they have no rips in them. It'll just make the whole look a lot dressier. And then I did a pair of black heels. So this look can definitely be worn to the office. And then if later on you wanted to like take off the blazer and put on a different jacket for a night, you could just keep the black bodysuit on underneath. But yeah, like I said, this is a great look for the office, super cute. I love it and looks great with jeans. So along with loving jeans, I also love sneakers, so I definitely wanted to do an outfit that you can wear sneakers with, and I did this plain white top. This guy is from Cotton On. It's a little bit of a cropped, and then I did this super cool Zara jacket. This guy is also cropped, and paired it with a pair of sneakers. I love this look. I feel like it's so cool. I actually wore it last Sunday. We were just like kind of hanging out and chilling. It's just like an easy, comfy outfit that you can wear with jeans. And like I said, I dressed it down and did it with sneakers. And I just love this look. I love a good casual denim jeans look. And this one is definitely one of my favorites. If you guys aren't feeling the nude in the jacket, this guy also comes in black. So you could always do this guy with like a black top underneath or that black Zara bodysuit, so keep that in mind. But it's definitely a little more of a chill, casual Sunday outfit, you know, going out to brunch, hanging out with the girlfriends, stuff like that. So I also wanted to show you guys how I style my jeans with a graphic tee. I have this Metallica graphic tee. Unfortunately, this is like a vintage real Metallica graphic tee. So I'll try to find something else to link for you guys. This actually was my husband's and I accidentally shrunk it in the wash, so I got this. But I just paired this tee with my jeans. I just kind of tucked them in, and then I did this big button-up black. It's like, I guess it's considered a jacket, but I think it was a top on their website. This guy's from Princess Polly. I just kept it unbuttoned. I really liked this look of like the grungy graphic tee tucked into the jeans with these guys. I did it with a pair of combat boots. There's just like, you can wear jeans with everything. That's why I love jeans. But yeah, this look is like a little more rocker to me, which I like. It's very different than all the other looks. So, you know, gotta give a little bit of something for everyone. But love this look. Like I said though, graphic tee underneath, you can really do any graphic tee. Princess Polly also has this guy in white. So if you had like a cool white graphic tee, you can get their white one of this and do that over. So a bunch of different options, but I really, really love this look. Super cool. And then for my last look, I got this super cute bodysuit from Quiz. Hello, this thing is so cute. I love the sleeves and I love this with denim. I actually paired this with this like really ripped denim a little while ago. I think I have a picture on Instagram that I can show you guys here. But really this looks good with like any sort of denim. I dressed this guy up and did a pair of heels. I just feel like with the sleeves and all of this, I would definitely keep it dressed up and do heels instead of sneakers. But I love this, super cute. You could do really any white bodysuit or any bodysuit, but I love that this has just like the extra sleeves and then I don't have to pair something else with it because the top is already a statement piece. So that's what I love about stuff like this, where you don't have to add anything else. Just wear the bodysuit and the jeans. That's it. No jacket, no extra. This is it. It's all you need. It's amazing. I love it. Super cute. And that is it for how I style jeans. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys found some looks that you love. And if you did, I will put all the links down below. So just scroll down and click. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also check me on Instagram. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.